Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Mama Bliss, and today I'm going to be doing a no burping challenge by Jaleel Odom. Oh my God, I'm so upset with him. I think he called me out on purpose, and I think he made this challenge for me. Seriously. Since day one, I have been burping. That's my thing. I'm a burper. I love to burp. I don't care. There was some times when people made comments like, don't burp, be a lady. Are you crazy? Mukbangs are to burp, okay? But anyway, he said a 2 liter or a 1 liter. I'm doing a 1 liter. I should have did the tasty mukbang challenge. And I should have did the 20 ounce. And actually, I did a little funny skit of the 20 ounce drinking one. I'm going to go ahead and post that. You guys can see a couple of skits of it right now. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to post it at the bottom, the end of this video. So please, please watch it. It's going to be so hilarious. But anyway, guys, this is a 1 liter. And I just want y'all to know that it really is truly a 1 liter. It's a liter. And I'm about to go for it. I got some Pizza Hut boneless wings right here to try to help me. And I'm about to dive right in. It's sealed. It's sealed. It's not frozen, y'all. It's plain. It's natural. Y'all see them stuff? Man, I'm finna fail this. I know I'm about to fail this miserably. And I got my mic on. For you guys can hear the burp when it's gonna come. It's gonna be good. I ain't put no lipstick on these juicy lips because that's a burp. Throw a little ASMR in there. All right. Focus camera. This is gonna be harder than I thought. Oh my God, look like I never drank anything. Wait, that's a bad idea. Because when you eat, it gives you full, and then you gotta burp. I'm not gonna be able. I'm finna fail. I feel the burp. It's already like it's right here. Yeah. Oh my God. That felt amazing. That was great. Guys, I ain't getting nowhere. It's at the calorie sign. I'm finna drink. I think I could drink all of it. Dang, my ears. Hold on, y'all. My ears. Whew. It's a little bit over the calories, so I'm gonna shake it up quick. Can't see. I think it's like almost under the C on the calorie sign. So I drink about this much. I drink almost half of a 1 liter. All right, so now it's just time to have fun. So yeah, Tasty Mukbang. She has a 20-ounce challenge, and it was the orange vanilla one, and she was drinking it. I did a video. I attempted to drink it. Tell me what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and post it with this one. I'm gonna post it at the end of this one. 2 for the price of 1. Might as well get some good burps, right, Jay? It's so gross, but I love it. I love to burp. Burping is great. I should make a ASMR for burps only. My mic is from Zeal Sound. I'm just joking. My mic is from Zeal Sound. I'm not sure what generation it is, but it's amazing. I love it. I haven't really been using it too much because I haven't made so many ASMRs lately. I'm going to jump right back into it, but hold up.